Team 101. In this video, we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and crude oil for 4th till 5th August. So let's begin. We are currently on a 4-hourly chart for the crude oil, and here we can see that the market is trading within a range some around here. This would be the resistance till some around here, and this would be the support some around here till some around here. Moreover, on my weekly forecast, I have drawn in support trend line also. Let me redraw that. From around here till here, and some around here. This is the support trend line, and in zone we can see that the resistance has been respected by the market. Some around here we have seen that the market, after testing this resistance of some around 1982, we have seen a huge sell off towards 1905. Then again we have seen that the market has gained its potential or a bullish momentum. Then again we have seen a test towards the resistance, then in sell off. Here we have given an signal to go long. Then we have seen an huge bullish run up where our take profit was. Then again, after testing this bullish run up, we have seen a sell off towards this support trend line where we have given the signal to team 101 to go long. Again we have seen a bullish run up upwards. Now what we are expecting in the market is that we can expect a bearish momentum in the market entering for the gold, and we can potentially see a breakthrough this support trend line. The fundamental behind me being bearish for the gold is due to the fact that we have seen a huge bullish run up and we haven't seen any significant recovery after here, and here we have seen a recovery. However, we haven't seen a recovery since the market has opened or any correction, any significant correction, and that's the technical. And then coming on the fundamental reason me being bearish is that WHO on Monday has announced that it isn't possible to make a silver bullet for the COVID-19, which suggests that, or which tell us that, or the interpretation of the silver bullet is that any vaccine or a perfect cure for the COVID-19 cannot be made. However, we have seen the successful trials of COVID-19 vaccines, and they are currently testing in the level 3, which suggests that we can see a decrease in the uncertainty in the market as the COVID-19 vaccines are, as their trials are being successful. And moreover, we have seen all the stocks in the world has hit their all-time high in the 5 months, which tell us that we can see a decrease in the demand of the safe haven. Just what I'm expecting by the market for the gold is that we can see a bearish run up downwards towards this support zone, filling up its potential, and then we can see an higher high move. One more reason me being bearish is that we have seen first time after several days in the US, some around less than 50,000 people are COVID-19 patients are being reported, and we have seen a decrease in the death roll from more than 1,000 death rolls has now decreased to under 1,000 death rolls. Thus we can see that the uncertainty in the market has been decreased, and thus we can expect a bullish we can expect the bearish momentum in the market, which we have seen can be over or can be resumed, can be paused for a shorter time. However, we can see that the bearish or the sellers can take the control, and we can see that the price falling some around this support zone. Thus, after touching this support zone, we can see that the bulls can resume their bullish momentum, and then we can see an higher high move. Now what I am, or what a trader should do in the market for the gold for 4th till 5th August is that we would be looking for going short on the gold with our stop loss placed some around 1988, with a take profit of this support zone. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.49. However, if we see a break through this resistance zone and we hit our take profit, we will be not taking any long position or any recovery position in order to cover our losses. And we can, if once we have seen that the market has reached this support zone and we have seen that our take profit have hit of our short position somewhere around 1973 with a stop loss placed somewhere around 1989 with a take profit of this support zone, then we can go for a long opportunity or a long position which would be triggered somewhere around 1952 with a stop loss somewhere around 1939 with our take profit of some around 1990. That will give an extra reward of approx 1:2.48. Now coming on the crude oil, we are currently on a 4-hourly chart, and here we can draw a support trend line which we have seen that the market for the crude oil has broken some around here till some around here. Let me draw that in zone so it's easier to understand and we do not caught up any fake breakouts. Here we have seen a touch, a bullish run up, touch, bullish run up, touch, bullish run up, and here we have seen a breakthrough this. Moreover, we can also draw our resistance trend line some around here. Let me draw that in zone. Some around here. Moreover, we can also draw a important symmetrical triangle pattern being formed. This would be the support of the triangle pattern. Let me change its color to blue so it's more easy to spot. And this would be the support. This is the support, this is the resistance of the symmetrical triangle pattern. Now what I am expecting by this is that we are expecting a bullish run up in the crude oil above, because we have seen that the COVID-19 trials have reached to the level 3, which can suggest that in our near future we can see that the demand for the crude oil can resume to its previous levels, which suggests that the demand increases and the supply remain constant, which led the prices of the crude oil to increase. Thus we can expect a bullish run up due to this news, and we will be placing our long, or where we will be taking our long positions on this support zone some around here. Thus we will be going long some around 40.83 with our take profit of this resistance zone, which we have seen that this support zone has been respected by the market, and we have seen that this support zone has turned into a resistance zone, and after the market retouching it after breaking down, then we have seen a huge sell off. Now what we can do is that we will be going long some around 40.34 with a take profit of 42.15 with a stop loss placed some around 39.06. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.166. However, if we see a break through this support trend line, which is a very less likely situation to happen due to the current fundamentals, and we hit our stop losses some around here, thus we would be taking our revenge trade some around here with a stop loss placed some around 40.24 with a take profit, or a first take profit of some around 38.75 with a second take profit of 37.12, which would be able to recover our losses and make us some money. If you like the video and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing it, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.